TaskVare, where things get done, on time. TaskVare is a one-window, project and task management portal. It enables the organization to incorporate multiple levels of access, as per the need of projects, or tasks, across the organization. TaskVare allows the organization to create various projects and tasks, while allocating resources. Each user, upon the allocation, will be enabled to charge time on the project or update the status of the task assigned on the portal. As a result, the project manager can evaluate the number of hours allocated to each resource against the milestones and outcome, and can identify any delays and spillovers, while ensuring optimum utilization of each hour by each human resource of the organization, thus enabling enhanced performances and profitability from all ongoing or completed projects. Our key features include: create unlimited number of projects, assign resources to the projects, monitor real-time resource utilization, establish timesheet management, create tasks outside of the projects, access dynamic reports, schedule invoices and billing, generate leave request workflows, create overtime request, customizable role-based dashboards, automate notification and enable time charging, thorough mobile app, enable performance optimization of each resource, individually or in form of tasks. For live demo, visit TaskVare.com. TaskVare, powered by Transviti.